Ever wonder what happens inside your fridge when you're not looking? The milk chills, the butter's in deep freeze meditation, and the ketchup? Always dramatic. But wait, who's that bouncing in like a veggie on espresso? A squishy, squiggly green little goofball just jumped out from behind the orange juice, presenting the happiest snack in the fridge, smiling, spinning, and ready to steal the show. Scientists say he's 93% charisma, 7% cucumber. Just look at that face! If cuteness had a logo, this would be it. So hey, hit that like button before he bounces away again. He gets offended. Trust me,